Let's learn about your website. A website is generated from the menu at the top, where you can have generic pages and pages that are special to the system. It starts with a page that is your home page that you can build to your liking. Start with a header image or color and provide a text. As you scroll, the menu will be stuck to the top, and you can then provide areas situated with an image or a text or just one or the other. The last thing every page will have is the footer that you can then contain with contact information and social media platforms. Another type of section is a video. You can embed different types of videos inside your website as well, placing them on the left, the right, or just centering them for visible view. Put any options inside of your link, such as auto-playing or looping when it is finished, or just having it start with the audio off. The decision is yours as to how to form your embedded link. As the user navigates to other systems, such as the portfolio or blog, you can provide submenus in this case as an option. Provide a description for each category and then allow your portfolio to become enlivened. They can zoom in, scroll through any image, and go to the next one as needed. Blogs are usually reserved for those that you want to showcase, specific sessions or people or events. The contact page can also be customized to your liking, with standard questions that are required and additional questions that you can configure. Specials are events that you can also advertise and have clients book on the spot. See our session for working with special events. This is an example of another generic page. To start working on your website, let's navigate to the website icon and start with our settings. Inside the settings, you can set your logo, your footer, and some of the information regarding how images are going to be displayed. You can select from 9 different presets as far as how you want your images to be spaced out and how many to display on the maximum image. Make sure to upload a logo for your website and your portal inside of the logo area. Your footer will be displayed across every page on your website. It will not be on your portal. Set contact boxes including your email, contact information, or just being navigated to your contact page. You can instantly see a preview of any footer changes you make. In addition to the contact, you can set up additional footer sections, those regarding social media platforms, or other generic logos that you want to create. You can also specify a specific URL when clicked that will take the client to wherever you wish them to go. Let's work with the pages now. Selecting website pages produces the menu in the order that it will be displayed. You can change the order on the spot by simply clicking within the cell and changing the number. It will reorient the other numbers automatically. Here, you can change the actual menu label itself, along with the browser tab label that is provided on each tab. Let's go through this homepage together. Note that it tells you that there are 5 sections on this particular homepage. Starting with our header. You can edit the header by clicking within it and then changing the background type from image to color, changing the subtext or header text as well. As you change items, you can click away and see the results immediately. Let's play with the background type. I'm going to change it to a color fill, changing it from light to dark so you can see the difference. The text effect can be either dark or light as well to give you the context you need. If you don't like the changes that you've made thus far, you can always cancel and return to the last saved item you have. Now as we scroll through the sections, notice that each contain a header in blue, allowing you to drag to reorder or to reorder using the numbers. Sometimes dragging large sections can be cumbersome. Use the numbers to your advantage. Both of these sections contain 2 areas, one on the left and one on the right, which is the options you are allowed. You can have 1 or 2 areas only. You may edit the areas at any time by clicking within the areas designated and then viewing the results immediately. To quickly change how the areas are oriented across each other, you can drag in this yellow section here, making the picture larger or smaller, or vice versa with the text. If you like the changes that you've made, don't forget to save your changes using the buttons. Let's review a section with just one area. In this case, it's a text. Every text area allows you to use an HTML editor to establish links, colors, fonts, sizes, and just design it the way you need it to be. Another type of area, in addition to the image, is a video link. The video link enables you to embed a video from an alternative website such as Vimeo or YouTube. It works the same way as an image. In this case, I have a text and a video side by side, or you may just wish to have the video straight out. You can start building brand new pages easily with the new website button. In this, you can start making your page names, browser tab labels, ordering it where you want it to go, and then building out your sections. Let's start by building a sample new section called New Page. I'll click within the header and do a color fill background of light type. We can then see the header major text needs to be set to light or dark. Instantly preview the changes. To view your entire website, you can click the View Website button, which will provide for you the hyperlink. This is your live site at this time. Any changes that you have saved will automatically be applied, just as this new page is now part of your website. Other than the generic page, another type of page is the portfolio or blog. But keep in mind there is only one portfolio page, which you can relabel anytime you want in the menu. You can build as many types of portfolios as you want. If you do not wish to have a portfolio page, you can always hide the portfolio from the site entirely. There are a few features for the portfolios you can take advantage of. First is setting a description, which can take advantage of all the features of the editor. Second, you can relabel your file names. This will help with search engine optimization, finding your images in the relevant names that you want to put. As you load images, it will randomly select a keyword, attach it to the file name, and also use the category. Now you can set your icon for the portfolio. In addition, you can relabel the order or remove and add additional images. That's all there is to adding portfolios as you wish. Let's do a sample together. Let's add a brand new portfolio. You give it a menu label name, assign a category, indicate if you want to auto rename the images, and then provide a description at the top. After you click Save, an Images tab will become visible. Load your images into here, and keep in mind that no matter how large they are in resolution, they will be resized based on the settings that you provided at the beginning. Website blogs behave exactly the same way as portfolios. The difference being that it's a different menu inside your website. You can have a label, a category, and the images uploaded to it. The next type of page is called a special or special event. Watch the training session for more information on this. Let's go to the contact wizard. The contact wizard has two types of contact questions, one for specials, one for the page itself. Your website contact page can contain one set of questions that can be active at any time. Assign a header text and then go to the questions tab to arrange your questions. Some of these questions are required and others you can add after the fact. You can edit any label, however. They all should pertain to those particular types of questions: names, emails, subjects, and a description. Questions can be arranged in lists or text boxes. You can also ask the system to confirm any answer if you wish. Drop down any list answers that a user can populate with a drop-down menu. Add, remove, and change the order as you wish. If you want to add a brand new question, click Add Question, place your new label inside the box, Designate what kind of answer type it's going to be, text, text box, or list, and then supply any of the other parameters, such as, is it a required field? Are there additional answers you want? BokehPix offers the ability to have a custom domain applied to your website. Normally, your website would be supplied by a subdomain followed by BokehPix.com. But if you have and own your own domain, you can request to forward your domain to this website that you've just built. To do so, go to your account settings, go to custom domain name, ask to change your domain, and supply your domain name here. Don't forget to click Save. Once you have done so, we'll receive notification that you want a custom domain. Further instructions will be provided after the fact. Thanks for watching.